Do you know turning a small idea into a functional chip is full of challenges? Along the way, you must navigate front-end design, back-end implementation, manufacturing, and testing. Each step requires coordination and communication with different partners, and a single misstep could delay the schedule. With our Turnkey Service, you can avoid all these hassles. Our Turnkey Service offers key advantages, including the provision of a DRAM controller IP and the advanced 3D wafer-on-wafer design service, as well as the integration of chip manufacturing, packaging, and testing technology from leading industry partners. We help customers accelerate the development of 3D IC and AI chip, enabling them to bring innovations to market more quickly. Turnkey Service, from concept to chip, Syntronix provides one-stop service.